I don't know what state of mind that I've been in. See, at times I be like a fucking highway, and sometimes I can't get it, and then my mind just can't relate. But I'm back at it, and I'm back rapping, back here like I'm back trapping. Them niggas mad cause I light them up. Told them niggas that I fire up. Guess that you don't write enough. I guess that you won't know it either. If she fine enough, I probably leave her, then I beat her. If she got some meat on her, I get her and I take her. One time I swear that I just admit her. I don't know what to do or what to say, but I still get it, but in a different way. Niggas, see they don't know where to go or what to do, but go ahead, give me the title and I'ma try to show you. But if you approach me, we just get them things to bustin'. Consequences eventually reach the repercussions. I don't know for niggas talking, I just do my thing quick. Niggas know that they ain't stopping, I be about my shit. Verbally, niggas they ain't heard of me. I cut them up, split them in half. Now I just did surgery, murderer. Yes, I killed a couple niggas, popping pistol, but I promise I ain't never pulled the trigger. And see, they don't know, but see, I do too. And them niggas mad, I write them out like fuck you, like do the shit that I must do, like I'm here cause I clutch too. Them niggas fighting, I'm just behind. Well, I'm here and that's just my time. Killing niggas on it now. Nigga, hold up, slow down. Now let me get a minute, and then I'm back like I'm back